Managing waste together, our community's commitment to rethinking waste. Strathcona County's Waste Management Roadmap. It has been 13 years since the green routine changed how residents sorted their waste. With less waste going to the landfill each year from households, residents are proud of the effort they've made. But the time has come to look at what's working, what needs some improvements, and how we can continue to evolve. In January 2020, Strathcona County embarked on a journey to review the entire waste system and reflect the interest of the whole community. The roadmap integrates what we heard through the public engagement process with guiding principles, best practices, and new advancements for high-level decision-making now and into the future. We are in this together, and everyone has a role to play. Key values and philosophies are what drive change and success. We heard that clear, convenient, flexible, innovative, and realistic solutions will help us continue to be leaders in waste management and will help us move towards a circular economy in our community. We need to refocus on the waste hierarchy. We need to rethink our use and design of materials, reduce the amount of waste we produce, reuse what we can, recycle and compost into new materials, recover the remaining materials, reinvest those materials back into the economy, and dispose of the actual residual waste safely. So where are we at and where do we want to go? The Green Routine program has been successfully diverting on average 60% of waste each year. By doing full residential audits of waste and organic carts as well as recycling left at curbside, we can see where that potential lies. By making some important changes to our current system, we can reach our full potential. It's important to note that waste generated within a municipality goes beyond the residential sector. We need to look at how we can improve waste reduction and diversion practices as residents move throughout Strathcona County. We uncovered 9 themes that will help guide us to where we need to go together as a community. Working together. By working together, we must recognize that we all have a role to play in waste diversion. Moving beyond the curb. Residents want formal waste reduction and diversion opportunities in the greater community. Plastics solutions. There's a desire to have innovative solutions in place for reducing and diverting the plastics we use day to day. Processing is an important part of the system and requires a deliberate focus to ensure materials avoid landfilling. Convenience is key. Creating convenient and accessible diversion opportunities will improve participation and performance. Focusing on positive behavior change will turn intent into action. Waste matters. Residents are eager to understand the story of what happens to our waste and why it's important to participate in reduction and diversion programs. Tools for change. Exploring tools such as incentives and enforcement could drive improvement and increase rates of utilization. Tracking success. Strathcona County has a vision to be Canada's most livable community. The county should strive to remain a leader in waste management and look to improve results for the entire community. Strathcona County will use this roadmap to guide new strategies and initiatives over the next 10 years. Together, we value waste as a resource and are committed to rethinking our practices to make Strathcona County the most livable community in Canada.